In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on the TRC20 network on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Trust Wallet. After you've logged into your Trust Wallet, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and we're going to go right over here to the top right hand corner and tap on these two little circle icons, which is your Manage Crypto. When you're in your Manage Crypto section, we're going to look for USDT. You can do that by simply searching in the search bar. We're going to look for USDT on the Tron network or TRC20 and go right over here and toggle this on. Now all you have to do is return back to the home page and you'll see USDT on the Tron network right here. You can just tap on it. Once you're on this page, you'll have a few options for when you can receive it from another exchange or wallet, or you can come right over here and tap on the buy section and you'll be able to buy USDT on the TRC20 network right through Trust Wallet. Once you're on this page, enter the amount of USDT on the TRC20 network you'd want to buy, for example, $50 worth. Tap over here, select your payment method, fill it out, tap on buy, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy USDT on the TRC20 network or Tron on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.